All right. Hey, everybody. Welcome to our Friday video. We're here every week broadcasting from the beautiful Pacific Northwest in Olympia, Washington. I'm Tom. This is Russell. And today's video, I'm going to say it's more than 1% better than last week's.
Yeah, I mean, it's at least 1.25.
Easily. I mean, and you never know. It might turn out to be 2% better than last week. Because, I mean, although we have notes, it's completely unscripted. So yeah, let's get into this video, and you guys can decide on how many percent it is better over last week.
Well, I'm gonna bump I think it's gonna be 2% better. I think I'm with you.
Okay.
I think it's gonna be 2%.
Let's shoot high.
2%. We'll shoot high. You guys let us know what you think.
We're gonna reach for the stars.
Especially you long-time followers. We're very interested. If you're new here, thank you for joining. If you are just watching our video and you have not subscribed to the video, or to the channel, excuse me, hit the subscribe button. Stick around. We like having y'all.
So many good things happen in your life when you subscribe.
Yeah, they do. And
it's like a chain ladder.
I mean, head to the comment section on our videos. I would say that over the past couple months, the comments on the videos have increased, and I love it.
Yeah.
Like, I love talking to you guys. I love hearing from people that follow our page. I love seeing the same people each week talk. You guys, you know who you are. But yeah, we do a lot of fun stuff here. Giveaways, coupons, discounts, new products, discontinuation news.
Yes.
Is key. So let's jump into some parts. We got some new stuff here. Now, this one, it's not an S13 discontinued part. So we can't do the S13 discontinued part of the week with this one, but we could just call it a D21 discontinued part of the week. Mm-hmm. We love hard bodies around here. We love Pathfinders. We love old stuff. Headlamp, bulb, retaining ring. Tom scrounds these up. I think we have, what, 5 or 6 of these on the shelf?
I don't even think we have that many.
Maybe 4.
Maybe 4.
We've got an amount. We've got more than one, I know that. But like always, there'll be links to all this stuff in the description of the video. So if you want to snag one of these, head there, do that. You'll usually find out that you need those after you take it off.
Right, because they are on there for so long.
Yeah.
You turn them the wrong way and they crack.
Yeah.
And then you're like, oh, crud.
So next up, I've got an R32 positive terminal kit. Now, this isn't actually the positive terminal that goes on the battery, but this is the fusible link connector and the cap for that terminal. So, you know, older cars, you start having issues with the fusible link, you're gonna have issues everywhere. So this comes with everything you need. You can buy all these pieces individually if you want to. Also, we have a kit to make it easier, you know, stress-free.
One-click purchase. Yes.
And also, we had something come through this week that I've never seen before, didn't even know existed. The NISMO fuel pump for it's for carbureted vehicles, so obviously for a Datsun. 1.3 liters a minute, 4.2 psi. And NISMO referred to this. Me and Tom were talking about this before you guys showed up, and the NISMO refers to it as a high-pressure fuel pump. But it's not. It's a low-pressure fuel pump because it's 4.2 psi. High pressure would be, you know, 30 to 70 like an EFI engine. So I don't know. If anybody old school has been around way longer than I've existed on this earth knows why it's called that.
You know who's going to know the answer to that?
I know exactly who's going to know the answer to that.
Kanga Motorsports.
Yes.
Yes, he'll know.
So tell us, Kanga Motorsports, what's the situation? I know we've got a lot of 280Z, 240Z guys on the channel, so I'd love to hear from you guys on this. I feel like I'm running away with the products, Tom.
I can jump in on this one.
Jump in. This is yours.
Okay, this is good news for the S13 chassis, folks.
Yes.
The right-hand Fender Liner, we have been able to secure 4 of them.
Yeah.
And it's for the right-hand side. The left-hand side is discontinued.
It is.
Which, you know, why would you make one side and not the other? I'm thinking these are leftover remaining stock that's going to go away. We were able to source 4 of them. Yeah, so check that out.
Yeah, link in the description.
Yes.
Sticking with products, not showing you a product today because I think we showed this to you a while back. RB26 crankshafts. It's a late model crankshaft. If you're doing an engine build, it is a necessity on an early model RB26 to have this crank. So we have marked those down 20% on the website. all you gotta do is use the code RB26CRANK, and that'll get you 20% off the already on sale price on our website. So we got a bunch of those. That is a discontinued part. So if you need one, snag it. All right, shout out time.
All right, Mauricio Chavez, who shows up every week.
Yeah.
Right? He's stationed in Belgium. He's in the military. Thank you for your service. He asked about some R32 lamp assemblies, provided part numbers. We cannot get them. Russell has informed me that they moved over to the Heritage program. So I got a couple of part numbers for you now, because that part number changed, even though it's the same identical item. 26129-RHR20, and the other side is 26124-RHR20. So have a look around for those, see if there's any vendors in Japan that can get them to you. Crazy prices for that stuff.
Yeah.
Online, because I checked to see if we could source them anywhere, and the price is just ridiculous.
Yeah.
But that's just me being pragmatic.
I think the whole situation's pragmatic, but there we go.
Zero Oath, another guy that shows up every single week. He complimented me in my shirt last week, and if you missed it, go back, watch the video.
Hit the link up there. I'll put the link right there. Go
and
do it.
check out that shirt. Every time I wear that shirt, Russell gets excited. I should probably get
It's
Russell
a good
one.
shirt.
And
I have a tie that looks like that.
Do you?
Same sort of print. Yeah, I love
Don't
it.
wear it at the same time because the towel will get lost. Anyway, I got that shirt at Land's End if anybody's interested.
There you go.
It's probably discontinued. All right, last one. Kevin, he asked about what S13 keys we have. And we're pretty well stocked on S13 keys. If you need the one with the black head on it, part number is key 00-00118. If you're looking for an all-metal key, part number is key 000066. And the ever-popular valet key, that is part number key 00-00081.
All those zeros.
Yes, I was getting a little bit slurry at the end of that one.
Yeah, I have a hard time typing those in.
All right, so let's talk about. You want to talk about the giveaway?
No, go ahead.
That was yeah. Let's talk about the giveaway. Oh, actually, you know what? I started looking up S15 parts,
Oh, yeah.
and it turns out we do have S15 keys sitting on the shelf. So if you need a key for that, part number H0564, A as an apple, U as an umbrella, 00. Those are S15 keys. All right, let's just knock it out. The shift lock.
I was excited. I was ready to jump the gun.
The shift lock giveaway. Wow, what a response. I wish we had more to give out. There can only be one winner, one true winner, because you're all winners in my book. But the guy that's going to win this is Drunk MTG. Drunk MTG, you're the winner. And the reason that he won is because he actually told me what he had for dinner that night. It's all a valet thing. I don't know if you were here for that whole conversation.
Yeah.
But he had chicken, and I love chicken, so you won that prize.
Can you tell us what MTG means? In my mind, it's got to be drunk mountain goat, and I'm into that. I like mountain goats.
Drunk mountain goat, yeah, that could be it.
Mountain goats are dangerous, though, guys. Stay away from them.
Now, if it turns out that you don't really want this, let us know, and we can get it to somebody that really, really wants it.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So I have got a shout out this week. All Season Racing made a comment about the valet key, and he mentioned that some of the newer model vehicles with the electronic keys have a detune mode on them, or valet mode as a lot of manufacturers call it for the key. And I asked him about that, and he kind of mentioned that the Ram TRX or whatever their performance truck is has it. And I kind of went down a rabbit hole because I was like, I want to know more about this. What does it do? So the Tesla Model S has it. Corvette Z06 has it. There's Audi, Volkswagen. There's a bunch of vehicles that have it. Nissan Leaf. Some of the Infinities have it. I didn't know this. So really cool to learn something new about the product that's sitting on our lot right now. I guess through the Nissan Connect app, with the valet mode turned on, if the vehicle goes further than 0.2 miles away, it will send you a notification telling you that vehicle's gone that far. But on, kind of an umbrella idea, electronically locks glove box, the trunk pass through the trunk. Some of the vehicles, it limits top speed, acceleration, things like that. So really cool. Like I never knew that. I think that's neat. I don't own anything newer than 2009, so I don't know much about new cars.
Yeah, me neither.
So yeah, super cool. Yeah.
All right, good job. All season racing.
Yeah, thanks. I appreciate that comment. Learned something. If you guys got any more tidbits you want to share with us in the comments, get our noggins going. Yes, we love it.
All right, so the only thing left to mention is the taillight kits. We still have taillight kits in stock. It is a complete kit. It does come with that lower garnish.
Yeah.
And there's no surprises on that. Other places, they'll sell you the kit without that garnish. You're like, well, where can I find that garnish? You're not going to find it anywhere.
Yeah, I just had somebody hit me up wanting the garnish because they bought a kit and didn't have it in there.
Nice.
So sometimes you win, sometimes you lose.
But anyway, check them out. We have them. If you need it, we got it.
Don't forget, get your RBC. Get your RB26 crank while you can. Really cheap.
Yeah, what was that discount on that?
The number?
Yeah.
20%. When's the last time we did 20% off on anything?
I can't recall.
Ever.
Ever.
Never.
We've done
never.
15 before, and I hated it because I have to do the math.
Yeah.
And it really rubs me the wrong way.
Cramps his style. His shirt got all wrinkled up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So anyway, that's our video for this Friday. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know, did we surpass our 2% improvement goal this week?
Yes.
I feel like we did.
And if you didn't hit the subscribe button or even like the video, let us know in the comments why.
And what can we do to make you happy?
Yeah, because we will act on your requests sometimes.
Yes.
Sometimes. Oh,
all right.
You guys have a good weekend.
And we'll see you next week.
And happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. Yeah. Hope it's gorgeous where you're at, because I know what I'm going to be doing on Sunday. It's going to be plant and flower day.
Nice.
Yes. So, have a good weekend.